How to make a rabbit with polymer clay. Hi, it's Yushin and welcome back. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to make this rabbit. Here's the list of materials that we will be needing. We're going to start by taping baking paper onto a flat surface so that the clay won't stick to the surface. And we're going to make small eyeballs for the rabbit and bake it. While the eyeballs are in the oven, we are going to make the head, starting with a really rough shape of what the head will look like. And then we're just going to add details on top of the shape. And the next step is adding the eyeball. We're going to take the baked balls and then put it in the eye position. After inserting the eyeballs, we are going to make the eyelid. After adding all the details onto your rabbit head, you're going to use this tool right here to blend these two parts together. So you're going to blend all the edges. After the blending, you can see really obvious marks of the blending. So the step after the blending is to remove these marks so that you have a really smooth rabbit head. And to do that, you can use any tools that you find the easiest to use. For these silicone pins, you can make them yourself by mixing 100% silicone with cornstarch. That way you can make any kind of shape you like. After smoothing out all parts of the rabbit head, we are going to make the rabbit ear. And we're going to do that by having a slab of polymer clay. I layered two pieces together because I want my rabbit ears to be in the exact same size and shape. And then I glued the rabbit ears onto my rabbit head using liquid clay. Then I made sure to blend the edges to make it a stronger bond. If you are not satisfied with the shape of the ear, you can always reshape it. The next step is to draw out the textured fur on the bunny head. And the next step is to attach the bunny head to the brooch pin. We're going to do that by sandwiching the brooch pin between a slab of polymer clay and the bunny head. After attaching and blending, we are going to flip the bunny over to draw the fur texture on the ear on the back. I'm putting it on ice because my ear became really soft and really hard to carve. After baking the clay, you're going to apply a little bit of UV resin onto the eyeball section of the bunny in order for the bunny eyes to pop out. And then you're all finished. You have a bunny head brooch. Thank you for watching. See you next time.